However, you could get naturally to 100% if you continue beating normally and reach 6 no trump, of course, making 13 tricks. Hello bridge players, welcome once again to the quest for the 100% video. The video where we play the weekly free instant tournament in order to get to 100% in each and every hand. We start with a seemingly natural auction because we open a spade and then we beat 4 spades. Personally, I would like to look for a slam in this hand, so that's why I say it's not exactly natural. However, there's no slam unless you do something weird. We rough this trick and we rough this other trick. We're going to discard in the king. And we're going to do a rough and finesse, which works. Now we can draw a trump and let go of our losing. We continue. Clubs, they are good, and this opponent doesn't seem to care. He roughs here. We're going to win the ace. We're going to rough this loser. And as you can see, we're going to lose 1 trump. That's all. That's 12 tricks. Good enough for 100%. Hand number 2, we are going to double. And then we're going to pass. And then we're going to pass. They have game here, this hand. However, with our double, they stopped short. They are cashing the tricks. They have, as I said, game. But we pushed them out of the game by doubling. So this is 100%. Good enough. Hand number 3. We're going to open a club. We're going to repeat 2 clubs. And then we're going to beat 3 no trump. I'm going to play high. And next we're going to play a heart. And low. Another low heart, which they win. Back comes a diamond. And of course, another diamond. We need to finesse the spades. And as you can see, that's good enough for 100%. I am amazed of the solution to hand number 4, because we are going to play 6 no trump. We're going to receive spade lead, which we win, of course, in order to play a diamond, which the robot wins, of course. And back comes a heart. So we play the ace, drop the queen, and that's 12 tricks. Good enough for 100%. Hand number 5, you can just beat 7 on trump. However, you could get naturally to 100% if you continue beating normally and reach 6 no trump. Of course, making 13 tricks is what gives us a good result. So if clubs behave, we can make 12 tricks, and that's what we're going to try. That's enough. They were 3-2, so 100%. Hand number 6, well, this is the impossible one of the bunch. We're going to open a club. I'm going to double. I'm going to be 3 clubs here. We're going to double here. Partner gets to 4 hearts, and they get to 4 spades, which we're going to double again. It's our lead, so we're going to lead a small heart. Partner wins, continues with a diamond, which we win in order to play the ace of hearts. The ace of clubs. A heart to partners. Ace, king, winner. And then we can concede because the rest is theirs. That's only going to be 96.4%. Hand number 7, if we open 1 spade, we can get to 4 spades. Hard lead, which we take in hand in order to play the king, which they win. We can win this, and then we draw trumps. Trumps were 4-2. We set up the diamond. And of course, we're going to lose the diamond ace. But that, my friends, is good enough for 100%. Hand number 8, we're going to beat one heart, which of course is natural. We're going to beat 3 no trump, which of course it's not natural. We want to play in hearts, preferably. They win the first trick and continue spades. So we take it here and then we set up our hearts. They happen to be 3-2, fortunately. And back comes a spade to our queen. We have 3 discards, that's all we need. And that, my friends, is good enough for 100%. So 99.55%, that's all we can do this week. Let's check some other players. Again, we have the fast Egyptian, Hakim. He managed 5 minutes 41, but as you can see, no one has solved hand number 6 so far. We don't know if somebody will come up with an answer. I have to thank, as usual, Mark Bolotin, who sent his answers. We used them all here because they were the best. You can also make, for example, 3 no trump plus 1 in hand number 1, which is 100%, but only 430. Why not make 480, right? So as usual, I will ask you to leave your like in YouTube, to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!